Hello my buns. Today, as promised, I will be telling you how to add the characters to a scene in Bot 3D editor. First, you're going to make your characters and scenes. Next, go to scene and make your background. Make both the floor and background green or blue, whichever one is not on your character. Then export it. After this, go to your local editing app. I use CapCut. Pick a background you want to use. Then add the Bot 3D video as an overlay. Then go to Cutout and select Chroma key. Repeat with the second one. Now it's finished. That's all for now. See ya next month.